Hello everyone. Today we're gonna teach you how to make your ringtone look amazing. Sound amazing, I mean. So first of all, you need to go to the App Store and download Zedge, which I already downloaded here. You can do that by just searching for Zedge in the App Store and download it. It's also available in Google Play or of Android. Secondly, go to Zedge. There's millions of wallpapers, ringtones, notification sounds, blah blah blah. So what you have to do is go to the Discover and then search for anything, whatever you want. For me, I'll choose for Mi Phone X. What even is this? The sounds, not this. Well, I don't know why do they even have these sounds. Steve Cobbs.
Steve, your dad is...
Wait, what?
Steve, your dad is calling.
Okay, Steve Cobbs would even answer that. And one more thing you need to do, instead of downloading Zedge, you can also download Zedge. No, you can also no need to download Zedge, or you just need to just go to the Safari and search for Zedge, so that you can get some sounds.
Sound cream!
It's like sour cream, what Taco says. So, bye everyone!